Guys, this is us tonight. This is us on this Thursday night. Here is the pool of those shakes. Are you seeing the pool of those shakes? So yummy and nice. You should not go close to that light though, before the heat will be much on you. Don't go and rest your body on it. It's hot too. So guys, this is our pool. Are you seeing it? So nice. Our organic be doing the magic. This is how their pool is today on this Thursday night. See them looking very good, looking very, they are bright eyes and they are very, very active, so active. Move, shit, they're looking for food. Guys, see their bonbon. This bonbon is bonbon and it's showing. Are you seeing it? This is the power of our organic. Our organic is really doing the magic and the wonders on our livestock. Yeah. Move. You want to check my hand, guys? They're looking for food. Let me come and serve them their food.